Anthony from AnthonyVerdone.com, 3:58 p.m., January 8, 2015. This is your after the close review. We talked about yesterday if price got over the top of these highs that we were more than likely going to see a move up to the 50 SMA. Watch for selling. We didn't see any. We continued on higher. We had the downtrend line we were watching from a few days ago. I posted up there. We were able to clear that area. And now we were seeing that we were at the 2060 area, and we are holding. I brought up 2060 yesterday in the video. Told you that was going to be the next area of resistance to watch, and you can see here we're playing in this area, and there's buyers and sellers. And tomorrow there's some data coming out in the morning that's probably going to move the market a good amount either direction. So we'll just pay attention to what happens. What I believe is going to happen here, guys, is a consolidation, probably some choppiness here, consolidation, and then we're going to see some pullback. We have a left shoulder, we have a head, we have a potential. This needs to consolidate more to make a right shoulder, but there's that gap down there. So what can happen is the trend line that we've been watching. From here, we broke down below it, took out the weak hands, got back above, and now we're probably going to go this way, is my guess, consolidation sideways, and then we're going to break down, come and test this area somewhere in here and see if this gap doesn't come and fill, and then from there we got to see if the neckline is going to hold up or not. I will adjust the neckline for you on Sunday's review. Remember, this will be the last newsletter that everybody will receive. If you'd like to keep receiving them, please sign up for my free 1-month trial, or if you've been with me for a while, you can just jump into the 3-month trial, or I'm sorry, the 3-month membership, and continue on. I have had a lot of great feedback, and I appreciate it. I will always try my best to make the needs of my clients met. So I'm just, I'm here to help the most I can. And so that's your SPX review. So let's jump into some positions. We look at Alcoa. Been talking yesterday. We closed over here. I said we need to get over this line. Boom, we did. Nice volume, consolidating again in a little flag pattern. If the market continues on higher, so will Alcoa. This is a 60-minute chart we're watching. Remember, the 20 SMA here is crossing. Going to try to cross the 50 SMA. And when that occurs, you're going to see the consolidation in price as you see now, and you're going to see a little bit of pullback possibility. So once that 20 gets over the 50, that's going to be your sign to get long and strong. Let's jump into Agenus. This is one I hold in the long-term portfolio. This is one that we traded earlier from $2.99. We bailed on it in the big move up. I had a lot of shares, at least. A lot of my followers knew that, so I still hold 10,000 shares in my long-term portfolio. This I'm going to hold for several years. Don't plan on doing anything with it. Too much going on with the company. Let's review BIS. Got out yesterday, made the right move, sold off some more today, so we didn't take any more loss, and we were able to save ourselves some money. IBB told us yesterday. Let me get to that chart. Remember, I told you anything over these highs, this is where my BIS bail was, and we were able to save ourselves some money now. So that was a nice out there. RIC, I'm just going over some positions from yesterday as well. RIC, we sold out yesterday in the 346 to 352 area. We were even able to sell some at the 358 area earlier in the week, and now you saw it start to drop down. This area here is where I would look to start consolidating again. Is going to be and is based on the minor charts, but I'm looking the 50% retracement is coming in at around 312. I'll watch that area for a move higher. So I'm not out of the position. We made some good money. We had a 315 entry, and that's it. We'll just revisit it later. ROX, we've been stalking this. Again, there's some gaps to the downside here. That's why I bailed on it. We traded it twice. We didn't make much money either time, but we were able to make about 5-6% on both trades combined. It wasn't showing me what I wanted to see. I was looking for a bigger volume move up, and we just didn't get it. So I took a little profit off the table before it would have turned into a loss. Let's see. I got in Twitter today. Twitter, I got in over here. I told you that it would more than likely pull back as the 20 was crossing the 200. That's exactly what happened. 50 SMA starting to curl up. You're going to probably see more likely another pullback as the 50 crosses the 200 to the upside on the 60-minute. This is looking bullish, guys. My position here is at 38.87 for my starting position. TVIX started a little position right here, $2.66, half a position size. Just want to protect myself because the portfolio is overall long. That's all there is there, you guys. Let's check it out. 60-minute. We close right under our trend line. Now these wedges can lead to a major explosion to the upside. Let me jump into the 5-minute here. Let's take a look. Okay, 5-minute chart. It's showing me that we closed at 398. Let me see where we are here on the daily. Yeah, so we're actually okay on the 5-minute. 5-minute looks okay. Big volume to the downside last part of the day. Not really worried about it as long as we maintain that trend line, which we did. So I'm okay with holding this into tomorrow. We'll see what kind of move we make. I will not be here tomorrow. I'm going to Disney, and I will send out a video Sunday night. Let's take a look at VTG. Talked about VTG today. Talked about how to buy this stock over the 30 cent area. Okay, our cost base is now at $39.70. Not bad. Now we're up on the trade. How do you like that? So there you go. WATT got in this position right here at $10.69. I sent out the alert. I'm liking the 5-minute setup. If you want to quickly trade this, 1108 is probably going to be the area that's going to is the first target. Let me jump into a 60-minute. I'm liking everything that I see here. If we could get over the 1150 area, you know, we'll have a move into the 12s, and then we'll speculate from there. Not speculate, but we'll check the charts and see where they're going to head. VIPS, I bailed on this a little too early, I think, guys. Market stays strong, but let's continue to be patient, and as the 50 crosses the 200 on the 60-minute, hopefully we'll see that pull back Monday, Tuesday, possibly even tomorrow. And I'm looking at the 2179 area to 2170 to add back into that position. I want to see what else here. RAI, Reynolds America, bailed out of that right at 66, even right into the resistance area. We made a pretty good call there, made some money, and now we'll wait for these gaps to fill to the downside, and we'll pick up RAI again on the dip. Good quality company with earnings and a nice safe dividend. I'm going to get into Extreme Networks, EXTR. EXTR here, fine guys, nothing to worry about. We get into the daily. We're just still going to let it sit, not doing anything, still in the consolidation area. We own it right there, $3.58. I will add, but I don't want to add until we get a dip to 3, or if we come out and take out these highs. All right, that's it. I'm off to Disney. Hope you have a good night. Hope you enjoy following. I'm new at these videos, as you all know. I'm taking your advice on trying to slow down and trying to get you more of the information you want. So please, feedback is welcomed and appreciated. Have a great weekend.